Welcome to Dr. Mahendra Hospital, which is one of its own kind of the surgical hospital in the Rewari, providing all the basic and the advanced surgical and the basic facilities to in and around the people of the Rewari. The motto of opening of this hospital is only one and the same, that to provide the comprehensive and the best health facilities which is possible in the metros to be provided in a periphery like Rewari. We have started here doing all the kind of the laparoscopic surgery, which is otherwise known as the minimal excessive surgery, and including the single port laparoscopic surgeries with the advent of a newer technologies which is now coming up with the German laparoscopes Karl Strauss. And here we are providing all the kind of the laparoscopic surgeries in a good way and with the best post-operative results which are possible by using this technique. With the advent of the laparoscopic surgery, now it is very possible that we can give the best post-operative result to my patient, because the thing is that it's a keyhole surgery basically, and that doesn't give any kind of the incision to the patient body, no muscle cutting, no fascia cutting, so as that the patient can return to his work earlier and with the less loss of the blood, and financially also he may go to his work to the early so that he can earn his bread and butter to the early stage, and there is no weakness, no hernia, no post-operative complication. Our motto also is to find out the cancer in a pupil of the periphery to its early stage, because as we are all aware that when the patient comes to us, it's usually in a terminal stage or in a fourth or third stage. And the purpose of our organizing the cancer camps regularly is the only one and the same, that we want to capture and treat and manage and cure the cancer in its very fine early stage. The first and the foremost symptom that the patient should visit to his family physician is that if a ulcer or a sore that is not healing in spite of the conservative treatment and is progressively increasing in size. Secondly, any lump, whether in a periphery, in the extremities, or in the abdomen, which is showing progressing in size and not responding to the treatment, should undergo FNSC or the biopsy. Sudden change in alteration in the bowel habit or change in a voice like hoarseness of the voice should undergo endoscopic examination. In the same way, if you find a mole over the body, a black mole, which is increasing in size progressively, shows cracking and bleeding tendency, in such a kind of the cases has to be biopsied and shown to a good oncosurgeon. I hope with the motto that we have established this hospital, a unique hospital in the Rewari district, I hope that you all people will get benefited, and I can assure you that you people need not to go to the bigger hospital like in Jaipur, in Gurgaon or Delhi to spend so much of the money, so much of the energy, to spend a lot of time in going out of there, and I assure you that you will get the best treatment which is possible worldwide in your hometown. Thank you.